Hi guys, it's me here. I thought what a better way to let you know what I'm thinking, better than a two-pager. The real thing. Here's an example of what I was thinking our tribunal could be in the format of. So let's start with a presentation. So I would like for you ladies to see a presentation on how it is the methodology from which we can use to present our tribunal into the unconventional gas impacts on human rights in Australia. So there are basically 4 subcases. So this diagram shows you those subcases. So these are the rights, the human rights that we're investigating, and down this side is the subcases that we've split the tribunal into. We will have expert and lay witnesses, and those are an example here in this schedule. So the sub-question 1 on health and infrastructure will have a general information introduction by someone explaining the question itself and what the evidence is that we're trying to provide. Then we will have a bunch of videos of experts and lay witnesses giving their testimony and evidence. That evidence will be in the format of video testimony, just like this is, so a presentation that is in this format. But the thing is, it would be a generative approach in that we would be gathering the data as we go. So it will be hosted on a website, and as we go, the testimony is added. The website itself will be what it is that we provide to the international group as Australia's contribution to the tribunal. And there may not be the need to have judges in this particular format. So this is a much more efficient and less restrictive and a much more accessible methodology. It will create an ongoing buzz as we develop it or as it generates over time. It's just an ongoing source of interest and information. There's almost zero cost to anyone other than their people's time, and we're getting permission from the international group that this is okay for them in the way in which we provide it. This may also be an ongoing resource that continues to be built as we go, way past the deadline of the tribunal. The website itself, what might it look like? Well, we might have a page where that identifies the groups that are already on board supporting the Australian tribunal and its contribution to the international one, such as this. A lot of this work has already been done in the flyers that we've created and the invitations that we've created. We've already done a lot of the data that can be published on the website right now to explain what it is that we're up to. What would need to be added next and can be done right now is, as you can see here on this screen, examples of links to videos. So an introductory video into the tribunal itself, what it is, how it will be handled, what's the point of it, where is it going, what is the point of the International Tribunal, etc. Then, hopefully, what would be great is an introduction to the whole process by Benedict to add weight and value to the process that we're using. We could also upload right now introductions to each of those subcases, explaining each question as we go, identifying what the evidence is that we'll be gathering, and giving an idea of the types of things that will be discussed in the expert testimony that will be delivered. So then, as we go, for example, one of our experts into health, Dr. Geraldine McCarran, may present her testimony in this format. We will gather that, we will then upload it onto the website, and it will be then available. Another expert will be able to provide theirs in the next couple of days, and we would post their testimony, and so on. And then a layperson's testimony, and then a summary, for example. This is an example of what subcase number 1 page on the website may look like, and the way in which it will be a generated presentation. So this is the methodology that I thought we could use, and I just thought this is a great way to give you an example of it. So thank you very much, ladies, for your time, and I'll talk to you soon.